Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I keep sharing a lot of mining applications and mining projects, but I skipped this one, so I think I should share it with you if you missed out. The project is called DeSpeed. With DeSpeed, you can earn for free by sharing your network bandwidth. I've given you many airdrops in the past, like just like Druss, nodepay, and many others. So this one is similar to those. For more information, you can visit their website. You'll find lots of information there. If we visit their X handle, as you can see, they've got 182k followers at the time of making this video. They are really active here and share lots of updates and information for their project. So this is another good sign for our project. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now to join this airdrop, I'll provide the link in the description. Simply click that link and you're redirected to this page. Here you need to fill up this form, agree to the terms, solve the CAPTCHA, and click register. Now you need to verify your email, so check your email, click verify email, and it's done. Next, you need to log in to your account. After logging in, you land on this dashboard. Here you can claim daily points. Now you need to download the extension. For that, click here and you're redirected to the Chrome Web Store. As you can see, they've got 200k users who have already joined. Now download and install the extension. Now open the extension. As you can see, it's running now. So go back to the dashboard and click on the quest section. As you can see, there are lots of tasks. You need to complete them all to get points. For example, let's join their Twitter account. Click authorize app. And it's done. Now you can claim 1000 points. Next, join their Discord account. Click authorize and claim the points. Similarly, you can complete each task to maximize your points. Here in the earnings section, you can see your total earnings. And finally, you can share your referral link with friends to boost points. And that's it for this video. I'll give you all the updates. So for that, make sure to join our Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.